Welcome to the amazing range of Rielda locks from Universal Security Group. Rielda locks can be rekeyed an infinite number of times without even removing the lock from the door. Reprogramming Rielda is simple. Insert the gold program key, rotate it halfway, then remove the gold key. The silver user keys are now programmed to be used normally. If a key has been lost or stolen, reprogramming takes just a few seconds. Insert the original gold key, rotate it halfway, and then remove. This returns the lock into its neutral factory mode. Open a sealed key pack and repeat the programming procedure. Rielda locks have over 1 million key differs, and the keys can only be copied at the factory, ensuring worldwide security. As rekeying each lock is so simple, you can have all your locks working on just one key. Should a key ever be lost or stolen, simply reprogram the locks. This means that changing locks is now more cost effective, less time consuming, and uses less natural resources. Rielda produce a huge range of locks, including locks for doors, cabinets, showcases, vending machines, roller shutters and padlocks. Due to the way Rielda is manufactured, this unique system has never known to be key bumped or picked. For more information, please contact us on 0870 8487 870 or send us an email, sales@universalsecurity.co.uk.